What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? So today I wanted to give you guys this look right here, giving you guys very much summertime vibes, even though COVID is trying to shut your girl down. So I asked you guys on my Instagram, and if you want to up your doses of Team Stacie, go ahead and just follow me on my social networks. But besides that, I asked you guys on Instagram, what did you guys want to see on my channel? And a lot of you guys told me that you guys wanted to see more dramatic looks. But before this video begins, if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. But if you want to become a super subscriber, go ahead and ring that bell down below, turn my post notifications on so you can be notified every time I drop a video. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is create a base. So with my Juvia's Place concealer in J18, I'm going to conceal my eyebrow. I'm going to go ahead and take the concealer and just spread it across my eye. And as you see, the concealer is a few shades lighter, and that's just because we're working with bright colors, and the lighter concealer is going to make sure these colors pop. And with a dense fluffy brush, I'm just going to pat that into my skin, and don't neglect under your eye because we are going to be applying color there as well. So with my ZULU palette from Juvia's Place, this orange shade right here, I'm going to pack that into my crease and making sure I have a lot of product on there, and I'm just packing that in. And bring it to your inner corner as well. You don't want to neglect that. Then I'm going to take this yellow shade and apply that on top of the orange, and we're going to pack that on as well. And this is before we're blending. We're just packing on colors first. It looks good. Perfect. So now we're going to take that orange shade again because we lost it with the yellow, and I'm going to now use circular motions to blend these two colors together seamlessly. And you can raise your eyebrows for more workspace. And you see me using circular motions back and forth with different brushes. Well, the same two brushes, but back and forth with those two brushes. So now with the flat concealer brush, we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. Y'all, I poked myself in the eyes so bad. But okay, so I looked up here just so I can have the concealer transfer up, and this is just going to give me the perfect template to begin with. And then we're going to go ahead and just cut the crease. Now I am looking forward to making a basic beginner kind of series. So if you want to see that, I'm going to, show you guys how to cut crease and how to apply foundation, how to conceal, all of that good stuff. So if you want to see that, just comment down below. So back with that dense fluffy brush, we're going to just take off the excess concealer. Don't make the mistake I made by putting too much concealer. So back with that orange shade, we're just going to put that on the outer corner of that crease that we just created. And with my James Charles palette, I'm going to take that white shade and we're going to put that into our inner tear duct. And then here I took this cream color shade, and I'm just going to set the rest of the concealer that had no product on it, just so it doesn't smudge and move around. So now I'm just going to blend everything out, making sure things look good. And in my waterline, I'm just taking this LA color liner, and this color is just pure white. And I'm going to take the orange shade on the outer corner and a yellow shade on the inner corner. So let's get started with the skin. After I prime with my hydrating primer from NYX, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty foundation. I don't know why I use the matte. I know I hate matte. I don't know why I did it. My skin looks so dry. I just hate mattifying foundations. But either way, I'm just going to go ahead and conceal and contour. And like I mentioned earlier, I really do want to make a basic series for you guys if you guys want it. Just applying lashes, eyebrows, concealer, contour. So if that's what you guys want, I got you. I really could just make a whole series and just get you right. So we're just going to go ahead and blend everything out. I was trying a new technique by applying my concealer and contour all at once and then blending. I don't like it. I like my other routine, but I'm trying something new because I know you don't want to see me do my makeup the same way every time. And this is going to be my loose highlighter from Juvia's Place. I don't know why I didn't show it in the video, but I did go ahead and apply that highlighter, and I did set my face with a mattifying setting spray from NYX. With my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some gloss. And that's pretty much it for the look. Alright guys, anyways, it's the end of this video. Always a sad time when it's the end of the video, but hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it was easy to follow. If you guys have any tips, tricks, or advice that you guys want me to apply in these videos, go ahead and comment that down below. That's pretty much it for this look. I'm really feeling it. It's giving me very much summertime vibes. Hopefully you guys are home being safe, but if you are going out, you can still look like a baddie. And if you're not going out and you're staying home, you can still follow these tutorials, so when you do get the chance to go out, you know how to beat your face, okay? Don't forget to get active on my channel and like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. You can see me every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes more days, okay? I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.